Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite tried and true items from the Grove Collaborative, as well as a few new things that I recently bought that I want to try out. So if you are interested, just keep watching. First, I want to go through some things that I already know and love. One thing would be Ms.Meyers spray cleaner for like multi-surface, so it's for the counter top of this thing. This scent is actually a winter scent. I have like a tiny little bit left because when I first smelled this, I was like, that's amazing, and I bought like 6 of them. This is my favorite. It's Snowdrop scent, but it's really nice. I just use it as like a couple times a day type cleaner, clean up messes, and it smells so good that I really enjoy using it. And I don't enjoy cleaning. So that's a good thing. And then I also have, they sell these. This is a glass container. And what I really love about their glass containers is that they have this rubber silicone bottom that you can take off, so you can wash them each separately to get it cleaned really well. But I use this for my dish soap, which I also get there, and I just get their brand of dish soap, and this is like a refillable little bag, so you just pour it in, less plastic waste. And I like the dish soap. It works. I've not done anything crazy with it because I do use a dishwasher, so I do use this only in like really large pans or something like that. They also sell these what do they call it, concentrates. This one is glass cleaner, and when you get it, you get a lovely little glass bottle as well to spray. So I have the glass cleaner one, and then I must have bought something else, but I don't have another concentrate. But I do have this yellow one. I'm not sure what it came with, but I just have water in this in case I need to spray my plants, spray my cat for being bad, you know, anything like that. I love to have water just in a spray bottle. And this is actually one of my favorites. I've started using this actually for the wood, like the fake wood that I have, because this is like MDF or something. It's not real wood. It is beautiful though. It's from Amazon, guys. I'll link it below if you are interested. But to clean the top of this and clean the top of my coffee table and stuff like that. But it is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. It cleans and dusts, and it's an almond smell, and it's like, it's so nice and not offensive, and just like, it's just good. So I use this regularly as well. And then I have 3 items for the bathroom. So we have Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint. And this is, you know, clean all the lovely areas of your bathroom that need antibacterial. I keep one of these in both of my bathrooms, and it's really nice. It's really easy. I just use microfiber towels to clean everything. That way I can just clean the area, and instead of making a bunch of paper towel waste, I can just throw it into the wash and get that all cleaned up. And then we have the Method Daily Shower. This is a naturally derived shower cleaner. It's eucalyptus and mint, which smells really good. Probably shouldn't be smelling bathroom cleaner. I love having this because you don't have to rinse or anything. You just, when you're done with your shower, or maybe even in the morning or at night, however you want to do it. I don't know what your plans are, how your life is. But you just spray it in there once a day, once every other day, whatever. And then when you shower, or you could just rinse it off if you want to. You don't have to wipe it or anything like that. And it just keeps the grime down on the tile that's in the shower, you know, because that can build up so easily. So I really enjoy having this around. And then the Method Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner in Spearmint. So it smells nice. This one's not been used, so I can hold it next to my face. But I do go through these a lot. I have boys in my house. Okay, that is all the stuff that's my tried and true and used regularly in my house. And here are a few new things. Now, I did get this Grove order about a week ago, so I have started using this specific thing, and I'm already obsessed. Like, I'm in love. I want to clean everything now. Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner, Lime and Sea Salt. Oh my gosh, it cuts grease and grime. I use it in the kitchen, on the counters, on the stovetop. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I mean, it cleans well also, but it smells so good. It might replace my Ms.Meyers. Unless, you know, they come back with that 1%, I'm gonna get that. And then I bought a backup of my dish soap, just because if I'm gonna make an order, I might as well get everything I need. And then I got this, which I've never tried. It's the Method Body Coconut Rice Milk Shea Butter Simply Nourish Body Wash. And it looks like this. It's super cute, kind of slim. It smells like creamy and comforting. It smells a little bit, it's like summer beachy, but like more natural, because it has more of like a, I don't know how to describe it. I think it's, maybe it's the rice. Yeah, but it's really nice, and I can't wait to try it. And then I purchased this, which I haven't had this in such a long time, and I don't know why, but I bought wrinkle release spray. So this one is free and clear, so there's no scent or anything, but I have used this a couple times also. And all you do is, if you've never used one of these, you just spray your clothes, stretch them out, shake them out, hang them up, and once it's dry, it's dried without any wrinkles. That way you don't have to waste the time or the electricity of throwing this stuff back in the dryer or ironing it. I don't even own an iron. I'm 30 years old. Do adults own irons anymore? Well, I don't. So I got this and I really like it so far. I also got, this is, I'm gonna just crinkle this so you can't hear anything. Actually, this is from the first time I ordered, I think. Your first order, I don't know if you know this, I have a link down below and I have it on all my videos, I think, but if your first order, you get a free set of stuff. You get like a spray, a soap, a sponge, and a little bucket, and you don't even have to pay shipping. I haven't used these yet, these little sponges. It's a 2-pack, but they look nice. So, and then this, you see my dark floors here? I recently got my floors done, and so a vacuum works on it fine, but I don't want to run the vacuum all the time. And I use Swiffer and it works fine, but those are expensive, like those little pads, and like wasteful. So I bought this. So it comes with, this is the handle, and it's like telescoping. And then you have a little, thing that just pops on the end here, like so, and it's got these little grippies on it, almost like hook and loop, Ziploc, no, hook and loop, I don't know what whatever, anyways. And then you get this little guy, it's like a little scrub pad that you can wash, and then you just stick it on there. You know, you stick it better than that. And then you can spray whatever cleaning solution on the floor or on the pad and wipe it up, or you can use it just to dust. So I thought that would be really nice to use on an everyday basis on the floors. And that is everything that I bought, but they did throw in this hand sanitizer gel. It is a blood orange scent, and it's really nice. I like that it's a gel because it's not like super watery like a lot of hand sanitizers are. It's a little bit thicker and somehow a little bit more moisturizing because of that. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. But that is everything that I have for you guys today. If you have never used Grove or purchased anything from them, I highly recommend it. You do save money, so everything costs less than what it would at Target or anywhere else that you could get it. And I always have that link down below so you can get your first little packet for free if you're interested. Also, if you are interested in this makeup look, the eyeshadow is the Pat McGrath Rose Decadence palette, and I have a 3 looks 1 palette video up already. I will link that down below and in the cards. And as I said, this is from Amazon. That's a TV. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.